Hey guys, so yeah, at Avakas Gorge in near Paphos in Cyprus. It's been a bit of an adventure. Definitely bring some spare shoes and some socks because you're going to get wet. Well, depending on how far into the gorge you go, but you will definitely get wet. Have some good walking shoes as well with a good tread on sort of a trail shoe. Because it is quite rocky and slippery as well. But yeah, it's been a fantastic day out. Definitely worth visiting when you're in Cyprus. And as you can sort of see in the background, this is the sort of start of it here. Again, we'll get the drone up as well and have a little look from above. As you'll see from the footage, a great day out with the kids.
You can see on the map, there we are, and we'd go across there, and that's like where we'd go, and we went quite far in. We didn't know if there was like a point where we'd stop and turn back, or if we just kept going.